putting a technology work order into Eduphoria. That's this week's topic on Tech Tip Tuesday.
Hi, have you ever had any issues with your staff issued Chromebook or had any issues with a student's Chromebook from the classroom? Uh, has the screen been cracked or it won't charge or any problems with the hardware? Well, you can submit a work order to have your staff issued Chromebook or a student Chromebook repaired, and you could do this online. So you would need to log into ClassLink and then hover over to Eduphoria and enter Eduphoria. And in Eduphoria, you should come up to a screen like this, and you'll click on the help desk. Once you're in the help desk, you have some choices here. The main one that we as teachers will probably be dealing with is the one here in titled Technology. Under Technology, you have subcategory with computers and hardware, application support, and internet and Wi-Fi. So anything pertaining to the internet or Wi-Fi, you can click here and submit a work request. Anything with, say, ClassLink or software problem, you'd click here and complete a work order. And of course, there's computers and hardware where you'll be dealing with questions like issues with the student's device, printing to a copier, my staff device. This is the teacher Chromebook. Problem with the touchscreen TV, a projector if you have one installed, issue with the classroom phone, or anything else. So you just have to narrow into what the problem is, and then you'll click on the pertaining issue. In my case, the last time I used it, I clicked on staff device because I had a problem with my Chromebook. And you just fill in this information right here. So what campus are you on? And there's many different choices here, but I'll just use mine. I'm from Timberlakes Elementary. What room? Well, this year I am in a portable, and it's portable number 1, so it is labeled as P1. Who has the problem? Me. I'm the one requesting it. So I'll enter my name, and then as a service tag, there isn't a service tag issued, so I will tend to put in not applicable, and then I'll just go in and write a very detailed request of what the problem is. If you have pictures, you can take pictures and upload it. That helps the technology department have an idea of where the problem is and a little bit more of a visual. And then once you have everything written, and if you have any files to upload, just come down to the bottom right here where it says Submit Request, and you submit the request, and it goes directly to the technology department. And my one and only time that I've used it, they responded within an hour, and the same day they came to the school and swapped out the Chromebook.
Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week for Tech Tip Tuesday.